Imagine opening a business today, but deciding not to use the internet at all. No website, no social media, no search engines, no online ads. It would be extremely difficult to reach customers because modern consumers spend a huge part of their time online. This shift has completely changed how businesses communicate with their audiences, giving rise to what we call digital marketing. Digital marketing refers to all marketing activities that use digital technologies and the internet to reach, influence, and engage customers. Unlike traditional marketing, which relied heavily on television, radio, newspapers, and billboards, digital marketing allows businesses to interact with customers directly and instantly. Companies can now reach people through search engines, social media platforms, websites, email campaigns, and mobile apps. This means brands are no longer limited by geography. A small business can potentially reach customers across the world with the right digital strategy. One of the most important channels in digital marketing is search marketing. When people want to buy something or learn about a product, their first step is often to search online. Platforms like Google play a huge role here, allowing businesses to appear in search results when customers are actively looking for solutions. This includes strategies such as search engine optimization, SEO, where companies optimize their websites to appear organically in search results, and search engine advertising, where brands pay for visibility. Another powerful channel is social media marketing, where companies engage with audiences on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Facebook. Social media allows brands to tell stories, share content, and interact with customers in real time. Many companies build entire communities around their brands through social media engagement and influencer collaborations. Content marketing is also a major part of digital marketing. Instead of simply promoting products through ads, businesses create valuable content such as videos, blogs, tutorials, and podcasts that educate or entertain their audience. Companies like Red Bull have mastered this approach by producing exciting media content that attracts millions of viewers while subtly reinforcing the brand. Digital marketing also allows businesses to track results in ways that traditional marketing never could. Marketers can measure metrics such as website traffic, click-through rates, conversion rates, and customer acquisition costs. This data-driven approach helps companies understand which strategies are working and adjust their campaigns quickly. Ultimately, digital marketing is about meeting customers where they already spend their time, online. By combining search visibility, social media engagement, valuable content, and data-driven strategies, businesses can reach the right audience more effectively than ever before. This is the Learning Studio, and in the next episode, we will explore a critical component of digital marketing, search engine optimization, or SEO, and how businesses appear on the first page of search results.